Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Colab while signed into your Google account. This gives you persistent access to Drive files. Once done, click New Notebook and select the Python 3 runtime, switching to GPU if your model benefits from acceleration. Make sure to mount Google Drive immediately so you can read and write datasets. Run from Google. Colab import drive, mount, /content/drive. This attaches cloud storage to the VM, and you'll see a prompt to authorize. After authorization, list files to confirm access. Next, configure the runtime and environment so your code runs reproducibly. Use pip install inside cells for dependencies. Include exact versions when needed to avoid conflicts. Then confirm the hardware. Runtime right arrow change runtime type and select GPU or TPU. Restart the runtime after changes. Organize directories with %cd and list files with ls and export environment variables for API keys or paths. Also, test small code and a quick import to validate version. Finally, run your notebook sequentially to establish the correct state. Use runtime right arrow run all for a fresh execution. Save frequently. Colab autosaves to Drive, but explicitly choose File right arrow save a copy in Drive after major changes. For collaboration, share via link or push to GitHub, and verify viewer versus editor permissions before sharing. If something breaks, first restart the runtime and run all cells. This clears cache state and resolves most dependency or memory issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.